Hi, today we will discuss about benefit of free affiliate marketing software. Affiliate marketing has emerged as one of the most lucrative and accessible ways to earn passive income online. It involves promoting product or service from other businesses and earning a commission on each sale or action generated through your unique traffic link. To streamline and optimize this process, affiliate marketer often turn to affiliate marketing software. Like the real role of affiliate marketing software is affiliate marketing software serve as a catalyst for success in the world of affiliate marketing. It automated and simplify newcomers tasks. Affiliate marketing software serve as a catalyst for success in the world of affiliate marketing. It automates and simplify numerous tasks, enabling marketers to focus more on strategy and less on manual labor. These tools typically offer a range of features, including link tracking, performance analytics, commission management, and reporting. By utilizing affiliate marketing software, marketer can efficiently manage their campaign, track their process, and make informed decision to optimize their earning. So now we will discuss benefit of free affiliate marketing software. First one is cost efficient. First one is cost effectiveness. One of the most significant advantage of free affiliate marketing software is of course its cost effectiveness. Aspiring affiliate marketer, especially those just starting, can access powerful tools without any financial burden. This enables them to learn the ropes of affiliate marketing, experiment with various strategies, and establish their online presence without worrying about upfront expenses. Second one is user-friendly interface. Most free affiliate marketing software solutions are designed with user friendliness is mind. They often feature intuitive dashboard and interface that simplify the process of setting up campaign, tracking links, and monitoring performance. This makes it accessible even of for individuals who may not have extensive technical expertise. Third one is learning opportunities for newcomer of the world of affiliate marketing. Using free software allow to valuable learning experience. By working with these tools, marketer can understand this mechanism of affiliate marketing, learn how to interpret data, and refine their strategy. This knowledge can later be applied to more advanced platform as marketer gain experience. Now we will discuss about the popular free affiliate marketing software. First one is WordPress plugins. Numerous WordPress plugins such as Thirsty Affiliate and Pretty Links offer free versions with basic link cloaking and tracking functionalities. Second one is Tracker. Tracker provide a free version of its affiliate marketing platform, offering feature like performance tracking, reporting, and campaign management. Third one is Post Affiliate Pro. While primarily a premium platform, Post Affiliate Pro offer a limited free version with basic tracking and reporting complete capabilities. Now we will discuss about the conclusion of free affiliate marketing software present on excellent entry point for aspiring affiliate marketer to dip their toes into the industry with cost-effective solutions that provide essential functionalities and learning opportunities. These tools empower marketer to kick-start their affiliate marketing journey without the financial commitment associated with premium software. As marketer gain experience and their affiliate venture expand, they can then evaluate whether upgrading to more advanced software aligns with their growing needs and goals.